to go. Leg straight. Pot at each side. Down.
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, peeps? Welcome back to my channel. First off, I want to say thank you for the 100 subscribers. I really appreciate it. And secondly, since you're watching this video, I'm asking you to give it a thumbs up. Also to just select share and share on your Facebook, your Twitter, wherever. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, just click the subscribe button. And thirdly, yeah, this is the same pants I've been wearing for the past 4 days. It's my workout pants, but I changed my socks, my top, and my undies. Let's get into it. Alright, peeps, so we're going back to the basic. So you'll do each of these exercises for like 45 seconds, take a 5 to 15 minutes break, and then switch to the other exercise. But for me, I'm just going straight. Let's get into it. Alright, we're going to the reverse. Right, lay flat on your back, legs up, and just brace upwards. Alrighty. I think I like this one. It's the Russian something. I'm just gonna call it the Russian roulette. Together. If you want, you can also get a pillow or something, or you can just double your fist. We're gonna lay flat again. And we're gonna come up. Yeah, that's a belly bossa. Can feel it in my tummy. One more set of exercise from the ground, and then we're gonna stand for the last one. This one is a little bit difficult. Alright guys, this is the last one. It's a standing one, and it is recommended that you use weights. But if you don't have weights, you can do without, like this, or you can improvise. You're ready to go. Legs straight, pot at each side, down, slide up, down. Switch sides. Alright, my peeps, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the workout. Hope you had a laugh. Asking you kindly to thumbs up, like the video, share the video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Until tomorrow, be good. I'm gonna use this spot, make a hot meal. Peace.
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink